Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Joy from Tales of Junubia. I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're living your best life wherever you are in the world. So I wanted to come to you. I'm on my way to the farm right now, and I just wanted to show you how I go to the farm. So I'll have some snippets of pictures here and there of Juba streets and when I arrive.
Coronavirus crisis as allegations of impropriety grow. The senior shadow minister, Rachel Reeves, has demanded full transparency on how COVID-related contracts were awarded to preferred companies. And that's the latest. BBC News. Tune in to BBC Newsday, 5 minutes of world news updates and Focus on Africa on BBC partner station in South Sudan, 88.4 City FM Juba.
The sound of the brother keeps me smiling every day. It's my freedom, my golden opportunity. Tales of Genuvia. 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 Tales of Genuvia.
So we are approaching the farm. It's very close by. I'm just going to show you the neighborhood or the community around, how it looks like. So yeah, come with me.
Tales of Genuvia. Tales of Genuvia.
Guys, here we are. We have reached the farm. So I'm still in my car. After a very long drive to the farm, guys, here we are at the farm. Usually mornings are the best time of the day for us because it's usually bustling with activity, so much positive energy and so much going on. And also the sun here is amazing. So upon arrival, the very first thing I usually do is to make sure that I do inspection of the vegetable picking process because most of our customers like their vegetables or their orders to arrive early in the morning, and as they say, customer is king. So we always try our best to make sure that our customers are happy. So I make sure that the different groups of our employees that are picking the various types of vegetables are doing it appropriately and right on time. And so we also have market women from the neighborhood. They come very early in the morning to help with the picking process and then also to get their desired type of vegetables. So they usually help us with the picking, and then once the picking process is over and done with, the vegetables are cleaned, and then they make their orders and take them for weighing, after which then they head to the market and the day starts that way at Ubuntu Farms.
Tales of Genuvia.
Outside of the market women, guys, we have the middlemen. And these are very interesting, persistent, and resilient people, to say the least. They always have a way of studying the market trends and identify what produce are in short supply, and after which they go to the various farms that produce them, buy from them, and meet the market demand. These people are actually very integral to our ecosystem because they always help us reach more clients and customers that otherwise would have not been able to reach out to. And so this morning, I happened to bump on one of them, and so I decided to have a very short chat with them.
Towns of Genuvia. Towns of Genuvia. Towns of Genuvia.
Okay, so these ones are our Swiss chard. They are called spinach. So I'll show you how we collect. I have my workers here, my employees who are collecting them too. Galisa Balnur. Daniel, maleta madero derasulo.
Towns of Genuvia. Towns of Genuvia.
As a practice, we usually provide 3 meals to our employees, and lunch times are usually a lot of fun because that's when we get to rest and catch up with each other and rejuvenate as we wait to enter the second half of the day.
Towns of Genuvia. Towns of Genuvia. Towns of Genuvia.
So guys, it's the end of the day. We are closing up. It's been a very long day. We're about to go home. Yeah, it's 5 p.m. That's when we finish our the ladies are ready. They're about to go home. As you can see, they're all prepared. They're having their meals. Those are the ladies. They already had their lunch, but this is their end of the day meal, and then they will head back home. Bye. Ina bige bilbukura. Hita kumkaman. And so that's the end of the day. The ladies are going back home, as you can see. Of course, they always carry something with them. Sometimes they carry some vegetables with them. So that is the close of day in our farm today. A lot has been done. See, our vegetables are all watered. So I have to do my final checks as always when I am at the farm, just to make sure that everything has been taken care of. When the ladies are heading out, I make sure that the guys are also wrapping up, because the ladies don't stay at the farm. The guys though do, the workers. The ladies have their families that they have to take care of, but most of the male workers, they stay in our male shelters, which are not in the farm itself. It's in the neighboring village here. So that's it. Good evening. The nurseries are all watered. Vegetables are doing good. Nursery is all taken care of. And Miss Joy is ready. I am ready to call it a day. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like today's content, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. It will really help us to grow our channel, and it will help us to build our community. Tales of Junubia is on a mission, and our mission is to change agriculture and the perception of agriculture in Africa and make Africa great again. We hope that we can fulfill this together. We hope that we can join hands together and make Africa, our motherland, great again. And if you wish to support us in this mission, please check out our Cash App link in the description box below. And guys, until next time, I wish you all the best. I wish you peace and enjoy your life and live in your purpose. Bye.